Good morning students. In this video I will tell you personal pronoun change in direct speech, how the personal pronoun will be changed. Personal pronoun has three kinds. First person. First person consists of I, we. Second person consists of you. Third person he, she, it. If first person will come in reported speech while changing the direct speech into indirect speech, that will be changed. First person will be changed according to S. S means subject of reporting verb. If second person will come in reported speech, second person means you, then it will be changed according to object of reporting verb. If third person will come in reported speech, it will be changed according to N. N means no change. It means first person will be changed according to subject of reporting verb, second person will be changed according to object of reporting verb, and third person will not be changed. Now through the chart I will tell you the first person, second person and third person. First person, first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun, third person pronoun. In first person pronoun, subject, object, possessive, and last is the reflexive. First person subject is I and we. Object of I is me. Object of we is us. Then possessive of I is my. Possessive of we is our. Then reflexive of my is myself, and reflexive of we is ourselves. Second person subject is you, and second person object is also you. Possessive is your, and reflexive is yourself. Third person subject is he, she, they, it, and any name will come, Ram, Syam, Mohan, Radha, then that will be also categorized in third person. The he, object of he is him. Then object of she is her. Object of they is them. Object of it is it. Now possessive, he possessive his, she possessive her, they possessive their, their, it possessive its. Now reflexive of he is himself, she is herself, they is themselves, reflexive of it is itself. This is the personal pronoun chart. Now through this chart it is clear what is first person, what is second person, and what is third person. And according to this short rule SON, I will explain. First person will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. Second person will be changed according to object of reporting verb. And third person will be changed third person will not be changed. This is the short formula of the SON. And first person consists of I, we, second person you, third person he, she, it, they. Now I will give you the example. Radha says to me, I cannot help you. This is the direct speech. This is the reporting verb. Radha is the subject of reporting verb. Says is the verb of reporting verb. Me is the object of reporting verb. This is the reported speech. We can see in reported speech I has come. I is the first person, and here you has come. You is the second person. So while changing this sentence into indirect speech, in the above rules I have told you, if reporting verb has any object like to me, to Shyam, to Radha, then say, sage, said will be changed into tells, told. Here object has come to me, so this will be changed Radha tells me. To will be removed. Inverted comma, that. I is first person, it will be changed, it is first person, it will be changed according to subject of reporting verb, and subject of reporting verb is Radha. Radha means here she, so here in the place of I there will be she. Reporting verb is in present tense, then tense, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then tense of reported speech will not be changed. If reporting verb is in past tense, then tense of reported speech will be changed according to tense chart. Tense chart already I have given this. So reporting verb is in present tense, so reported speech tense will not be changed. So can will remain can. Cannot help you. You is second person. Second person will be changed according to object of reporting verb. Object is here me, and you is also in the place of object, so here will be me. So its indirect speech is Radha tells me that she cannot help me. Second example, Kareem said I do not like to give you money. Here in this sentence we can see Kareem said, this is the reporting verb, but in reporting verb there is no object. There is no object, it means say, sage, said will not be changed into tell, tells, told. Here said will remain said. But reporting verb is in past tense because here second form of the say has come said. So tense of reported speech will be changed according to tense chart. Now reported speech is in simple present, so it will be changed into simple past. So do not will be changed into did not, and pronoun will be changed according to son. Here first person has come, so first person will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. Subject of reporting verb is Kareem. Kareem means he. So in the place of I there will be he. Its indirect speech will be Kareem said that he Do not will be changed into did not like to give you. You is the second person and it will be changed according to object of reporting verb. Object is not given here, so we can imagine here object him or me. We can imagine here him or me. There is no need to write, but we can imagine here. If it's depend upon you, you are imagining object as him or me. If you will imagine here object me, so then in the place of you there will be me. If you will imagine object as him, then in the place of you there will be him. So I have imagined here me, so in the place of you there will be me, money. Now Karim said, I do not like to give you money. In direct speech, Karim said that he did not like to give me money. Here him also maybe.